Hi, this is the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first we should open the Play Store and in the search pool we should enter the Muviz Edge application. Because unfortunately we have not installed by default the AOD option, that's why we should get the application from the Play Store, and the name of this app is Muviz Edge. Just enter the name here in the search pool and tap the install button. After that, just wait a couple of seconds while the application will download and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app, click here to draw over apps, click to allow display over the apps switcher and go back to the application. Tap to AOD section and here you could select one from the options, tap to apply. Now let's just lock the device. Let's twice press the power key to activate the AOD and we could see that the always on display option successfully enabled. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.